thunderstorm warning for Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rochester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin around 6:25 p.m. Ada around 6:30 p.m. Dover around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Ring, Predmore, County Roads 9 and 10, County Roads 137 and 136, Century High School, Cummingsville and Rochester Airport. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 205 and 231. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Olmsted, Minnesota.
I literally just predicted time on my Discord server.